Welcome to the Food Lab Experiments in the Kitchen. Have you ever wondered why some cooking methods enhance flavors while others do not? Or perhaps you've been intrigued by the science behind your favorite dishes? Today, we shall embark on a culinary adventure that merges gastronomy with experimentation. Join us as we conduct fascinating tests that challenge our understanding of food and flavor. Our first experiment will delve into the delightful realm of dessert ice cream. But not just any ice cream, we will be making it using liquid nitrogen. This method is not only visually stunning, but also scientifically intriguing. Liquid nitrogen, at a chilling -196°C, rapidly freezes our ice cream mixture, creating a smooth texture that is often unattainable through traditional freezing methods. First, we will prepare our ice cream base. In this bowl, we have heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. The key here is to ensure that the sugar is thoroughly dissolved before we introduce the liquid nitrogen. As we introduce the liquid nitrogen, you'll notice a dramatic transformation. The rapid evaporation creates a mesmerizing fog that envelops our ingredients. This is due to the nitrogen transitioning from a liquid to a gaseous state, which is essential in creating ice crystals that yield a creamy texture. And there you have it, our homemade ice cream, frozen to perfection in mere seconds. Let's take a moment to taste the fruits of our labor. Absolutely delightful. The texture is incredibly smooth and the flavor is rich without being overly sweet. This experiment not only yields a delicious treat, but also highlights the effects of rapid freezing on texture. Next, we shall explore how different cooking methods dramatically alter the flavor profile of the same ingredient. For this experiment, we will be using a simple vegetable, the humble bell pepper. We will prepare it using 3 distinct techniques: grilling, sautéing, and sous vide. Uniformity is crucial in our experiment. Therefore, we will cut our bell peppers into identical sizes to ensure that any difference in flavor is attributed solely to the cooking method. First up is the grilling method. This technique caramelizes the natural sugars in the bell pepper, creating a smoky, slightly charred flavor profile. Next, we move to sautéing, which will allow for a more straightforward, lightly sweetened taste as the peppers cook in their own juices. Finally, the sous vide method will preserve the bell pepper's original flavor, while infusing it with any accompanying herbs and spices, thanks to the vacuum-sealed environment. Let's taste our grilled bell peppers first. The grilling has imparted a rich, smoky flavor, a delightful enhancement. Now, onto the sautéed version. The sautéed peppers offer a sweet and tender crunch, a beautiful balance indeed. Finally, the sous vide. The sous vide peppers retain their natural sweetness and a hint of garlic. Each method produces a unique flavor profile, emphasizing the importance of cooking techniques in gastronomy. Our final experiment today will focus on emulsification, an essential technique in the culinary world. We will create a classic vinaigrette and compare the results of vigorous whisking versus using an immersion blender. To start, we combine 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, along with a spoonful of mustard to help stabilize our emulsion. Let's first whisk this vigorously. With enough speed and determination, the oil and vinegar will combine into a beautiful emulsion. However, let's see how the immersion blender handles this task. As you can see, the immersion blender creates a more stable emulsion in a fraction of the time. This illustrates the significance of technique in achieving desired culinary results. Today, we have not only satiated our taste buds, but also engaged in the science that underpins our culinary practices. From the rapid freezing of ice cream to exploring various cooking methods and the art of emulsification, each experiment has unveiled the fascinating interplay between science and cooking. Thank you for joining us in the Food Lab. We hope you feel inspired to experiment in your kitchen. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes. It's about exploration and discovery. Until next time, happy cooking!